Right here off of Ponce Inlet. My buddy Jamie, my buddy Jake, we're trying to get some cobia today. Just ran past Blair Wiggins. I guess they're filming a little show out here, and we're trying to get on our own. So.
You got him now, big. Fine. Stay still, stay still.
You know, you always notice stuff when you get to the editing table. Like my thing today was I'm sitting in front of the computer and I'm watching the stuff and watching the recap from yesterday. And, you know, we don't have big fancy, you know, boats that follow us around with multiple cameras. We don't have guys in towers spotting rays for us. We're just 3 guys out on not a huge boat either. And it's pretty rough seas yesterday. And it laid down a little bit towards the end of the day, but it picked up pretty good in the morning when we ran out there. So, you know, we happened to make it happen. You know, I had a wheel driving the boat in one hand. I had the camera in the other hand. I had some of the times I was rigging baits with my teeth holding on line so I could rig stuff so we could get on the baits. And we ended up pulling in 2 nice cobia yesterday. And Jamie has some good sea legs. He was standing right up on the bow of the boat in probably 2 to 3 foot seas and taking waves, and we ended up finding a couple of cobia and getting on them, and they ended up eating, and we put some in the boat. So Jake got his first cobia yesterday, which was sick, and unfortunately we didn't get any video of that. It just got a little too rough, and I was trying to just run the boat and watch for other boats and do everything else on the boat on top of trying to get some film. But we got some good pictures of that. Definitely got to put some fish in the boat and then fish in the freezer last night, so that was a good thing. So never a bad day when we're catching fish, and stay tuned for more. We're going to try to get back out this week and shoot another segment of some cobia fishing up here in Smyrna Beach. Check it out.
You got a squid on your thing? Get a squid, quick. Alright, there you go. Alright, you tell me where to go. I'm filming now too, okay? So you gotta give me a little heads up if I need to chase him. Alright, hey, I'm gonna chase him. Alright. Alright, I'm coming around, okay?
You gotta get the net out, please. The fish is not big enough.
Grab his tail.
I thought you said these fires are good, bro.
I didn't say they were good. I said I got them for $29. 39.
2 to 4.
Oh shit. 43.